Hey guys, how you doing? Now you've seen it with music, let's go with counting. A small side note, the first link in the description is also something new, our new little website with our premium downloadable products. If you like, go have a check. Thank you very much. Let's go with the lesson. Alright guys, let's go to a basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, double preparation. 1, 2, stay steady. 5, 6, double sedenda position. In chufla, lower hands. 5, 6 on the last second, turn by 7. Now here you gotta think about top with the right, bottom with the left. And 1, switch and push the lady here. That's why we place the hand here. Now 5, 6, 7, if you keep the hand here, she's not gonna spin, she's just gonna walk next to you. Then 1, 2, 3, you wanna swivel her a little bit towards her right like this, not back. So you can have down, 2 and 3, bring her back 5, 6, bring the hands to the right shoulder, and 7. Straight away prepare the lady on 1, 2, and block, that's 3. On 5, you stop her again, big surprise. On 6 and 7, and you put the elbow over. Grab the hand, grab the right hand, put the left hand down. 1, 2, 3, pass her over. 5, 6, over la cabeza. 1, grab, throw by 3. 5, 6, surprise. And 1, 2, both hands up. 5, 6, wear them like a t-shirt. Push down, 2, change hand on 3. Forward 5, 6, crossbody with a half. Now repeat, but finish in a different way. 5, 6, 7, start going round, 2, 3, 5, 6, to your neck. Move over, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's do the limbo. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, keep contact. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, surprise. Over la cabeza, 1, 2, 3. And this is our new combination. Leave your comments below, guys. We really love your feedback. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.